30 kg. Can you believe a family creating just a 30 kg of waste per year? So yes, it's been a while for me to living in Italy, and now today I just came across something that literally blew my mind. There is a tiny Italian town called Capenori, and their story, it's like a perfect example of how small people can do a big things. Before starting that story, there is a fun fact, right? Right now in Europe, every person create almost 500 kilo of waste every year. Yeah, 500 kilos. And that's like throwing away half of your body weight in trash. I'm like, okay now, wow. Technically, I'm a part of this garbage economy too now. So Capenori was just like any other town, overflowing bins, random plastic everywhere. People like, tomorrow I will recycle. And the government said, let's just build a big incinerator and burn everything. But the people said, nope. They were like, we believe here, we breathe this air, not your smoke. So instead of burning trash, they decided, let's transform it. From there started something beautiful. Every household began separating waste, plastic, paper, food, glass, everything. And the community got involved. Schools started teaching kids how to recycle properly, and even shopkeeper reduced plastic. So basically, they are not using any kind of packaging. For milk, for any food item, they can just bought their own bags at the bottle and get those things from the shop. It become like a team project, neighbors reminding each other, kids correcting their parents, no mama, not that bean. Can you imagine an Indian kid doing that? Ma, ye wet waste hai. Beta ja, pehle homework kar le thodi. And slowly it worked. Capenoi started recycling almost 80% of their waste, and now that's huge. Like seriously, their dustbins must be feeling unemployed right now. Probably sitting in a corner and like nobody throws anything at me anymore. And the best part is, this was not just big government project with billions of euros. This was people, normal residents saying, we want to live cleaner and we will do it better. They started something called Zero Waste Movement, and right now the Capenori is certified and even get lots of awards for a zero waste community they have and in a city in the whole Italy. And honestly, I was just thinking, in India, we got such a beautiful tradition of reusing things, right? But we are not using that thing. We are just making us more advanced. And चाचा को बोलोगे कि थोड़ा वेस्ट को सेपरेट कर दो तो वो बोलेंगे बेटा जाना तो एक ही ट्रक में है. So yeah, the Capenori story, one small town that said no to trash, yes to change. And it made me think, maybe real change doesn't start from the government. So don't claim every time that government is not working. Here the people actually work. So today, if you separate your waste properly, congratulations, you are already a part of Capenori Club. If you can excuse me, I'm going to double check if my pizza box goes in a paper or a plastic bin, because apparently even dustbin judge you here in Italy. See you guys tomorrow with another small story from Italy that might just make you think a little. Ciao!